Yeah, thanks so much, Anna. So, round of applause. And due to the shortness of time, I would encourage you to ask questions either on Slido or in person. Anna is a very friendly person, so please feel free to approach her. I think one of the exciting things will be to see how the business model side of it progresses in terms of the longevity of the platform, and that's something that is always a tricky one to tackle, but reaching the end of a project lifetime, it is something we all need to deal with. So firstly, good luck with that. It's always a challenge, but also really it'll be very interesting to see how that can be operationalized. So thank you so much again. Yeah, fantastic. Great. Thank you very much. We will straight away dive into our panel discussion, which is going to be looking at stakeholder perspectives on integrated renovation. We have a few technical things to deal with here in terms of... Huh? Huh?
It was very easy.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. And we have a very full panel. So I will scoot over to the left, I believe, to make space for everybody.